Okay, now let's see how to solve this. Now in the question, find the joint equation of pair of line passing to the point 2 minus c and parallel to the lines represented by so and so. Now if you look at the equation over here, x square plus xy minus y square is equal to 0, then it can be seen that this equation is not factorizable. So we are not able to find the factors. So what we do is, if I try to write the equation of this separate equation, I can write it in slope point form. That is y minus y1. Now y1 is given to me is equal to m. Let's say first line is m1 x minus x1, the first line, and y plus 3 is equal to m1 into x minus 2. Okay, I can take this on the one side, m1 into x minus 2 minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, this is what I can do. Now further, so we can call this equation number 1. This is the separate equation of the first line. Now what will the second equation? And the second equation is the second equation is y minus y1 is equal to, I'll take m2 x minus x1. So y plus 3 m2 into x minus 2. Even this will be m2 into x minus 2 minus y plus 3. Now these are separate equations that you get. Okay. So when I multiply these two separate equations, I will get the joint equation. So when I multiply these two separate equations over here, what will I get? Let's see. So when I multiply these two equations, I get m1. Now these are separate equations. The joint equation will be, let's take equation number 1, m1 into x minus 2 minus y plus 3 into m2 into x minus 2 minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. When you multiply these two, you will get m1 m2 x minus 2 square then what you will get is m1 y plus 3 into x minus 2, then m2 y plus 3 x minus 2. So if I take minus common, I'll get m1 plus m2 x minus 2 into y plus 3, and plus, when you multiply the final two, that is you get y plus 3 the whole square is equal to 0. Now this is what you get over here finally when you multiply these two. So I need m1 plus m2 and m1 into m2 now. I require m1 plus m2 and m1 into m2, these two values. So what I'll do is, initially I'll compare the given equation. I'll compare the given equation x square plus xy minus y square on comparing with the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. I'll get a is equal to 1, I'll get 2h is equal to 1, and I'll get b is equal to minus 1. So when I get all this equation, all these values, I can find m1 plus m2 and m1 into m2. Now the value of m1 plus m2 is minus 2h by b. This is nothing but sum of the roots and product of the roots formula. So m1 into m2 and m1 into m2, m1 plus m2 and m1 into m2, you can get values. This is a by b, product of the roots. So minus 2h is minus 2h is 1, b is minus 1, answer is 1, a is 1 and b is minus 1, so you get minus 1. So you get m1 plus m2 and m1 m2 m2. Let's substitute these values in equation number 3. Okay, so if we substitute these values in equation number 3, we get the final joint equation. So when I put the values m1 into m2, you will get as minus 1. Okay, so I'll substitute over here itself, minus x minus 2 the whole square minus m1 plus m2 is 1 only, x minus 2 into y plus 3 plus y plus 3 the whole square is equal to 0. Now this is your final answer. You can multiply this by minus 1 and expand this to get the final equation actually. So if I multiply that by minus 1, I'll get x minus 2 the whole square plus x minus 2 into y plus 3 minus y plus 3 the whole square is equal to 0. Now if I expand this, I'll get x square minus 4x plus 4 plus, if I multiply this, I'll get xy plus 3x minus 2y minus 6 minus y square plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. X square plus, sorry, x square minus 4x plus 4 plus xy plus 3x minus 2y minus 6 minus y square minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. We can arrange this, and finally if we arrange this, we get the answer. Okay, so we can arrange this x square plus xy minus y square, then minus 4x plus 3x is minus x, then minus 6y minus 2y is minus 8y, and 4 minus 6 is minus 2 minus 2 minus 9 is minus 11 is equal to 0. This is the final answer of the given question, as you can see over here.